This car just broke the golden rule of electric vehicles. Usually you have to choose between charging speed and an affordable price tag. You can't have both. But this is the Xpeng G6, and according to the spec sheet I'm looking at right now, it charges from 10 to 80% in 12 minutes. That is faster than a Porsche Taycan used to be, for half the money. You're looking at the new king of the charging station, and the scariest part? It's not even trying to be a sports car. It's trying to kill the Tesla Model Y. Let's look at the face. They call this the robot face design. You get this continuous light bar running all the way across the nose. It looks like a spaceship from a sci-fi movie that just landed in your driveway. It's a coupe SUV, so the roofline drops aggressively at the back. Usually that ruins the headroom, but we'll get to the interior in a second because that is where the real magic happens. Pop the hood, or rather, look at the spec sheet because there is no frunk here. This is the rear-wheel drive long-range version. You get 296 horsepower. That's enough to hit 100 kilometers per hour in 6.7 seconds. It's not going to rip your face off. It's not meant to. It's built on an 800-volt architecture. That is the number that matters. Most cars at this price point are still using 400-volt systems. The G6 is living in 2030, while everyone else is stuck in 2020. Now step inside. This is where Xpeng is really showing off. First, look at these seats. This is the cloud feel interior. The seats are wrapped in eco-friendly fabric that feels softer than real leather. And notice the pattern. It's designed to support your spine during long trips. The front seats are heated and ventilated, which you expect, but they also have a massage function as standard on this trim. That is rare. In the center, you have a massive 15-inch touchscreen. It runs on the Xmart OS. It is snappy. It is responsive. It feels like using a high-end tablet, not a car screen. But unlike its main competitor, you also get a 10-inch driver display right behind the steering wheel. You don't have to look sideways to see your speed. That is a huge win for usability. Look up. That panoramic glass roof covers the entire cabin. It makes the white interior feel twice as big. And even with that sloping roofline, the rear seats recline. You can actually lean back and sleep back here. It feels like a lounge, not a back seat. You also get the X-Opera sound system with 18 speakers. Some of them are built into the driver's headrest so you can hear navigation directions without interrupting the music for your passengers. That is the kind of thoughtful detail that makes you wonder why everyone isn't doing this. The trunk is 571 liters. It's big, not class-leading, but big enough for a family vacation. So here is the verdict. The price on this build sheet is 48,790 Swiss francs. That puts it directly in the firing line of the Tesla Model Y and the Hyundai Ioniq 5. But remember the 12 minutes. While the other guys are still plugged in at the charger waiting for their battery to fill up, you are already back on the highway. If you value your time more than a badge on the hood, this might just be the smartest EV you can buy right now. But there is one massive problem with buying a car from a new brand like this. It's something nobody talks about until it's too late. I'm going to cover that in the next video, so make sure you're following. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.